Hey guys, James here from FramerLab. Today I'm showing you our brand new Classic 3 template pack. 6 clean, minimal PSDT templates, fully editable and ready to drop into your projects. Smart object placeholders, editable colors, perfect for social media, portfolios, and more. Let's jump right in. Okay, let's open up template 1. First, just click the small smart object icon. It'll open in a separate window. Now drag your image inside. Resize it to fit the full canvas. And hit save. When you go back, you'll see the template update instantly. And here's a cool touch. You can even change the border color, or use the eyedropper to pick a color from your image so everything matches the vibe perfectly. Okay, let's check out the second template. As always, our templates include a blue label so you can easily spot the placeholder layer. Just open it, drop in any image from your files, and hit save. Now watch, I'll change the text here. You can customize the font, color, and size however you like to match your project. Alright, now I'm going to speed things up a little and give you a quick preview of the other templates, so you can see how versatile this pack really is. And that's the Classic 3 template pack. 6 clean, minimal layouts to take your projects to the next level. This pack is live right now on FramerLab.net, so check the link in the description and grab it today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more packs coming soon. Thanks for watching.